The SEC archives or the EDGAR database is an absolute goldmine of information. Why? Because it allows you to research various crowdfunding deals and get invaluable information for your market analysis, campaign planning, demand validation, competitor analysis, and so much more. Suppose you have a couple of favorite crowdfunding platforms like Start Engine or vFunder. There is a ton of deals listed on these platforms and you can research most of them, if not all, to get to the interesting behind the scenes. What about knowing how much an issuer paid to the crowdfunding platform for the successful raise, or the out-of-pocket expenses? What perks the issuer offered to investors, what the company's operating expenses are, its plan of operations, balance sheet, advertising costs, the auditor firm, and a lot more. There is literally an infinite amount of information to process, and anything can be useful depending on your research objectives. For example, we at LenderKit used the EDGAR database to research our competitors in the crowdfunding field and find new partners like Norse Capital that we have integrated with successfully. But you can use the EDGAR database to find a crowdfunding platform where you can raise capital, or research a deal to become an investor, or maybe even study a crowdfunding platform's range of services and fees and launch a similar platform like Start Engine or vFunder. Whatever you may need it for, here is how to do it. Well, of course, the easiest way is just to use Google. Just type in SEC archives and your target company name and check out the results. There is a chance that you will find what you're looking for if the company did some reporting. Well, if that didn't work, try searching the EDGAR database on its own, but it's a little more tricky because you can search by the central index key number, company name, or a form type if you are searching for the latest filings. But if you want to search for the archives or historical files, sometimes you may run across an error which says that the page is unavailable. Finally, you can also use third-party tools like Disclosure Quest or similar and search for the latest Reg A, Reg CF or Reg D filings by just using more extended filters compared to the default from the SEC archives. EDGAR stands for the Electronic Data Gathering, Analysis and Retrieval System. It is used by companies and individuals who submit and check the documents under the Securities Act of 1933, the Securities Exchange Act of 1934, and the Trust Indenture Act of 1939 and the Investment Company Act of 1940. So it is an open database which you can search, and now you know a little more on how to do it.